that was a pretty good movie that I just watched. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be trading in a car for a truck, and there goes the train. Which I do have to pick the car up from my friend's house because I left it there. So I'm gonna be taking this, which is a nice Ford Dually 2017 with only 3.1 miles on it. I can't go that way. It's only 5 minutes away since we're in the town, so. And I'm gonna have to bring about 10 grand with me for the truck, and we're gonna meet up at the hotel. So I gotta go speeding because I'm late. If this car can even go fast. And after we will be taking up that road that we just went by to see how it does. And y'all might think this is a bad purchase, but it ain't. Even with an old truck, it has never been driven. Other than once. So it ain't too bad. We're going about 120 miles an hour. I mean, I also haven't driven this a lot, and we just drove past the road. U-turn. Okay, so it is this way, the hotel. So. Okay, so we're almost to the hotel, and I gotta slow down because I kind of forgot where it was, but I know it's down this road, which is right. I guess he's late. Holy, this hotel is not busy. They're like even. Is this even a hotel? I don't know. I mean, I would think it is. I don't know. I'm just gonna wait for the owner to get here. Holy crap! Who is that? Okay, so the owner got here, and I got the truck, and he got my car. And if you can't tell by the sound, it is. I'm gonna have to wait till it's night, so I'll catch you guys up at night to hit the trails. So, peace for now. That was a pretty good sleep. Guess it's day now. I'll just start my truck real quick. That sounds pretty good. Oh, by the way, do y'all like my new character? I just bought this house. I don't really know where to go. Okay, where's my garage at? I'm just gonna open the garage door and go into it. And I did change the color before I came home last night because I'm a Red fan. I just accidentally turned it off. It's time to take this off-roading. We'll see how it does. Now, why am I on the train tracks? I already put 7.4 miles on this. And it started with 0.1. Is there lightning? In a clear day? Or do I have like... I don't even know. Oh, I missed the trail. First trail is a creek. Okay, I got out, and my tires are pretty muddy. Yeah, I think after this, I'm probably gonna trade this for a better 6.0 because it has a lot of horsepower on it. Oh my lag. There we go. There we go. This is the 6.0. Oh, I don't think I was spinning it. Oh, yeah, I guess I'm trading in for different 6.0. Yeah, I'll see you when I get a different 6.0. Oh, my tires are shot. Oh, yep. I'll see you when I get a new truck. Peace for now. Okay, so I got a couple trucks, and this one is a 6.8, but it basically sounds the same. So, I'll show you the start. I don't know how to put it on my phone, but I do. To me, it just sounds like my old 6.0. And I got my other truck home that I'm gonna show you. That's loud. I'll turn my headlights on because I'm the best at driving. I could have got another dually, but I have 2 dualies and I don't need a third. So, where am I going? This is where I got my 6.0 from. Okay, so I got back on track and then I crashed. And I already put 1.6 miles on this truck. So, gotta stay on track here. Holy, why is the train always coming at like What time is it now? Let me check my phone once I get home, because bro, it's like 7:54. Some people sleep at this time. I don't need to take the road. Ooh. Okay, it's in my garage, so I'm gonna go and get it. Okay, so here it is, and cover your ears if you have this volume at full send. Actually, that's probably not that loud for you guys because it wasn't for me. And this thing just... We'll take it for a spin. So, yeah. This thing is pretty loud. So I guess I'm gonna end the video off here. Peace.